Hello everyone. In this class, we will introduce slab guide and withdrawing straightening equipment. The slab caster has a large section, thin shell at the bottom of the mold, and long metallurgical lungs. The center of the slab is still in the liquid state until straightening area. It is easy to have a bulging deformation, which may cause steel leakage in serious cases. Therefore, the lower outlet of the mold is generally equipped with dense array rollers or cooling grids. The roller group below the mold is called the secondary cooling zero section. Generally, 10 to 12 pairs of the dense array pinch rollers can be used. Either a long pinch roller or multi-section pinch rollers can be used in this area, which play a role in guiding and supporting the slab and quickly thicken the slab shell. According to the type of the caster, the structure, the number of segments, the diameter and the spacing of pinch roller at each sector segment after zero segment are quite different. The section is composed of pinch rollers and its bearing seat, upper and lower frame, roller gap adjustment device, screw-down device of pinch rollers, cooling water pipe, grease pipe, etc. The sector section can be equipped with power device, which plays the role of withdrawing and straightening. Generally, DC motor is used to drive through a planetary gear reducer. The roller gap adjustment device of the sector segment generally adopts a hydraulic mechanism. The mold, secondary cooling zero section, and each sector segment must be aligned. Sector gel is composed of 4 frames, including outer arc, inner arc, left and right side, roller assembly supporting device, and air-water atomization cooling system, etc. Second gel is supported on the bracket of the mold isolation equipment, and 2 supporting seats are respectively arranged on the inner and outer arc frames. Sector 1 to 6 includes a guide section and a withdrawing and straightening machine, which is used to guide the casting slab from the section gel to the further cooled, straightening and pulling the arc caster slab out. Each section of the sector has 6 pairs of rollers. Sections 1 to 3 are free rollers, and section 4 to 6 each has a pair of driving rollers. Each section of the sector is anchored by 4 plate wide pins, respectively installed in the 3 arc-shaped fundamental base. This plate wedge connection is reliable installation, convenient disassembly. The former base is supported on 2 seats. The lower part is fixed seat. The upper part is floating seat, to adapt to elongation caused by thermal stress. Each sector consists of roller, adjusting device, guiding device, frame cylinder, and frame etc. The sector with driving roller also have drive and screw-down equipment. Each sector is also equipped with mechanical cooling, spray cooling, hydraulic and dry oil lubrication piping. The roller is divided into driving roller and free roller, which are the uniform structure and can be interchangeable. The body of roller is a hole. The middle is drilled and cooled by the water. The 2 ends of the free rollers are supported on double-row spherical roller bearings. On one end of the roller bearing is fixed, the other end floating, to meet the needs of the roller body deflection change. Each end of upper driving roller is supported on two bearings. One is a double-row spherical roller bearing. The other is a single-row roller bearing. Each end of roller has two bearings, so that the bearing cannot be self-aligning. In this way, when upper driving roller is driven by the clamping cylinder for vertical lifting movement, the bearing will not produce blocking phenomenon. The roller bearing seat is bolted to the upper and lower frame and is positioned by key. The height of the roller is adjusted by gaskets. That's all for today. See you next time.